This is Abish Pius. I'm an aspiring data scientist, and this is my submission for the MLB Hackathon Challenge number 4. To run my solution here, you can hit Runtime Run All. So I decided to do challenge number 4, which is to generate StatCast data for old videos. The approach is twofold. So first I built a neural network regression model that predicts hit distance from the tabular data and some advanced feature engineering. And second, I built another neural network spatial temporal model that utilizes frames from the video where the batter makes contact with the ball to predict the exit velocity and launch angle, which eventually gets put back into that regression model to predict the hit distance. So the advantage of this is that it reduces the computational complexity since we only need to process a smaller number of frames rather than the full video itself. So looking at the results of the neural network model, we have an error of about 15 feet, so plus minus 15 from the true hit distance. This is 20% better than a linear regression model. It's much better than the physics model, and this neural network architecture is optimized with Keras Tuner. The second model is the spatial temporal neural network model to predict that exit velocity and launch angle. This takes advantage of some transfer learning using a smaller, efficient neural network, MobileNet V2. So putting all of this together, we can make a sample prediction on one of these videos. So we'll take a random video here from the 2016 dataset, sample it. It'll populate, then we can go in and get a prediction for this. And voila. So we have a predicted exit velocity of 71 miles per hour, a launch angle of around 13 degrees, and a hit distance of around 221 feet. This is not absolutely perfect because the video model still requires a lot of computational power. This can definitely be improved because I've only trained it for 10 epochs. Some possible improvements for this: we can have more efficient frame extraction, so having a meta model that only captures the frames from when the bat is in the strike zone. And then we can add additional image processing techniques to isolate the baseball from the other surroundings in the image frame. And that's all I have.